Okay, so guys, I got like a really important news, okay? We have been the best people, but you know, like these guys have all got kicked out.
So that's one of the weirdest intros that I've had, and I'm leaving Zostel. It was a great day here. We had a lot of fun.
Because of us, bro.
All these beautiful people around. I don't feel like leaving from here, but we are getting kicked out. So, so unfortunately, I have to leave from here. We had plans of extending for one more day, but they told no. We are very we are very good occupants, so they told us no, not one more day. So I've packed up and I'm leaving towards Wagamon, and see you guys on the road and trip to Wagamon. And thank you all. It was a very nice trip here. This is my first time in this hostel, and it was really nice. Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly.
This is the Silver Cascade Falls. I captured it when I had got up also. Today's Friday and there will be a lot of crowd. You can see the amount of vehicles coming into Kodai, all the tourists, and there is the Silver Cascade Falls. It's a scenic place, very beautiful. Just stop for a while. Yeah, that's the falls, very beautiful. So that's Kodai for you. I'm leaving Kodai. A lot of shops, eateries here. So thank you, Kodai. It was a beautiful drive. It was a beautiful experience. This is exactly the same place that I had done the vlog when I started the intro when I was going to Kodikanal. Yes, I have done my Kodikanal trip. I'm down going towards Wagamon. There is eclipse there. And it's a beautiful ride from Kodikanal to Vattalagundu. Very beautiful roads. You can see the roads behind me. You would have seen in the earlier video when I had gone to Kodikanal. That's why I didn't record anything, but it was really nice drive. I just got down the ghat and the temperatures are soaring here. It was chilling up there, drizzling, but the temperature is soaring here. I'm feeling the heat. So let's go towards Wagamon, another chilling place. So that's the junction there. Once I go there, I have to take right. If I go left, I will be going to Madurai. So I have to go right, so that I go to Theni, Kambam and then Wagamon. So let's go towards Wagamon.
Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to. I just got to see this beautiful scenery here. A lot of goats. They're grazing here. There are two shepherds who are leading them in front. And a beautiful view there, up there. There's Eclipse. He's getting some rest. And this is a new Theni bypass. You can see the road there that goes to the Theni city, but this road is a new Theni bypass. It takes us towards Kumali, so you don't need to enter the Theni city. It's a beautiful road and the place here is really beautiful, amazing, but it's hot. I came down from Kodai, so I'm feeling the heat, yet it's fine. Wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender. So right now I have reached Kambam. I just crossed Kambam and I am going towards Kumli. And these are the scenes from here. It's like a forest. Now I have to go up the ghat. It's raining heavily and this is the ghat road here. There is eclipse and it's raining heavily. But the road is very beautiful. The ride also is looking very beautiful. So let me go towards Kumli. I need to go up there. We go on a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure.
After Kumali, I just crossed Vandiperiyar and I'm going towards Kodikanal. This is the way towards Kodikanal. I will go to Kodikanal and then go to Wagamon. Look behind me, it's a beautiful scene. I am among the tea plantations and it's very beautiful out here. And the road also is very beautiful. Amazing roads and the scene is pretty good. And it's very nice. Now it stopped raining and I just stopped in a place, but I'm wet actually. Completely wet. I don't have my rain gear. But the feel is amazing.
On a new adventure. Adventure. Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On the new adventure. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm I don't think of you. Don't call me up when you're feeling blue. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure. It's a new adventure. I will surrender. On a new adventure. I will surrender. Let me go. On the new adventure.
It was raining heavily and I got here by around 6 o'clock and it was dark by the time I was about to conclude. So I couldn't get the views of this place, but the views are really stunning, amazing. It's been raining since yesterday and it's never stopped. The whole night it has rained. So this is the kind of view that we have here and an amazing place to stay. So I will get to you with all the details of this hostel in the next video, and also if the rain stops I'll be able to travel to some places nearby and bring to you guys that video also. So that's it from hostel Wagamon. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys with yet another exciting video next week.